Welcome back, viewers. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to achieving your financial goals? Let's get started. Picture this two individuals with similar educational backgrounds and opportunities. Yet, one person thrives financially while the other struggles to make ends meet. What sets them apart? It all boils down to their mindset, the power of beliefs. Our beliefs shape our reality, and this holds true when it comes to money. Your beliefs about money profoundly influence your financial decisions and actions. Take a moment to reflect. What are your core beliefs about wealth and success? Are they empowering or limiting? Limiting beliefs. Many of us have limiting beliefs surrounding money, such as money is the root of all evil or I'll never be rich. These beliefs create a self-imposed barrier to financial abundance. It's essential to challenge and reframe these beliefs to align with your aspirations. Empowering beliefs. On the flip side, empowering beliefs like I am capable of creating wealth or money is a tool for making a positive impact can transform your financial journey. Cultivating empowering beliefs lays the foundation for a mindset primed for success. The role of self-worth. Our self-worth heavily influences our financial success. How we perceive ourselves and our value directly impacts the financial opportunities we pursue and accept. While self-worth often leads to settling for less, accepting lower salaries or rates, and shying away from opportunities that could propel us forward. Building self-worth is crucial for unlocking your financial potential. Now let's talk about strategies for boosting self-worth. We can boost self-worth by celebrating our achievements, surrounding ourselves with positive influences, and investing in personal growth. As our self-worth grows, so does our confidence to pursue and seize financial opportunities. The influence of mindset on financial habits. Our mindset not only shapes our beliefs and self-worth, but also drives our financial habits. Developing healthy financial habits is a key component of long-term success. From budgeting and saving to investing and living within our means, positive financial habits lays the groundwork for financial stability and growth. By adopting a growth mindset, we can embrace learning, adaptability, and resilience in our financial journey. A growth mindset acknowledges that financial success is not a fixed destination but an ongoing journey. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. See you next time.